In today's tutorial, I will explain you how to turn off age restriction in the YouTube app. First, open your YouTube app. Click on the profile image on the top right corner. Press Settings and go to General. Here you can find an option to turn off or turn on restricted mode. This setting will only be saved on this device. Make sure your age in your Google account is at least 18 years old. To change your age, go to your profile, manage your Google account, and go to the Personal Info tab. Press your birthday to change your age. Change the year so you are at least 18 years old. After you have entered your year, press the Save button and confirm. Your age is now changed. Make sure that the restricted mode is still turned off after changing your age. Go to Settings, General, and make sure the toggle is turned off. Thanks for watching, leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.